Hello there. So, the holidays are upon us. That means getting together with family and friends and having festive frivolities and good times. Part of that means booze drinks. So, we're doing a little series on cocktails and also coming up mocktails for those who don't want to imbibe. This is a cocktail that I've made for a few years now, and it's kind of an unusual off-label use for absinthe, which is generally used traditionally, just pouring it into a glass and then dripping water very slowly through a sugar cube to make what's called a louche. And you dilute it about 3 parts water to 1 part absinthe, and it's just a wonderful, delicious aperitif, very popular in France and other countries in Europe. Not so widely known here. It was actually illegal here until 2007, and this was the first one that was made in the United States, right here locally in Alameda. And they just happen to be fabulous, incredible distillers. So, very special. It's mixed with a hard apple cider, which is really coming into more popularity right now. This is a fabulous one, also local, right up near here in Sebastopol. It's just apples and lemongrass and ginger. And it's carbonated, so it's got a lot of kind of vibrance. So what we're gonna do is also mint from our garden. So local. Ice is really local. It's just right here in the freezer. And I'm going to show you how to make this, and it will really wow your guests. So if you like this kind of thing, make sure you subscribe, and now I'm going to show you how to make this.
All right, so we start with our mint leaves, and we're going to tear them a little bit so you release some of the volatile oils and the phytonutrients. We're just going to kind of tear those up a little, and then we're going to grab our spurtle. That's right, that's a spurtle, and do a gentle muddle. Spurtle is a Scottish... Oh, some ice was flying around. That's bad. Sorry about that. But yeah, so we're just gently muddling with a spurtle. And now we're going to do a half jigger of the absinthe. Now, I'm going to give you exact measurements for this. Although, as you'll see, you can adjust the dilution. And look, now here goes the cider. And we're going to do 2 parts to 1 part. You could do 3 if you want to extend it, and oh, what a mess I'm making. Wow, that's pretty awful bartending. But you know what? Hey, it's the holidays, so we're having fun, and we're spilling. So now we're going to give it a gentle shake, just not too aggressive. We're being gentle here, because this is a powerful beverage. So all the power is coming in now. They get a strainer, and you put it into a nice goblet. That's kind of like the vintage champagne goblet, which used to be on cruise ships in the old days. It's such a nice little glass. So that's that. Yeah, good job. And now you put a little mint leaf on there as a garnish. You just slice it with a little scissor and kind of get it on there, and that looks like, you give that to your guests, and bam.
So here we are with the finished product. This is the Fizzy Green Fairy, and I would recommend having just one, because it's kind of strong. Absinthe is well, you don't want to have more than one, because then you will actually see the Green Fairy, as is the lore. Check that out, by the way. It's a really got a cool history. Hope you've enjoyed this. Lizette's going to be making a mocktail, so something equally as kind of wonderful and festive, but without the booze. So that's cool. You can take care of guests of all different stripes. And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.